Hey guys, it is Code with Shark. Today we're going to be making this Whack the Turkey game. First, I recommend to clone the starter project I have, I made, which will be in the link description. So I'm going to sign out, get into my other account, and I'm going to find myself Code with Shark. And you can just click on the starter project or click the link that will be in the description, and then click the green remix button. And then as it says project saved as a remix. A remix is just this project. It's just exact same, but now it's in your stuff. So now that you remixed it, you can start following. And I'm just gonna sign out and get back into my CoderShark account. There. And now I'm going to clone my starter project. So if it's your project, you can just press on File, Save as a Copy. Okay, as you see for here right now, you can't do anything. So let's first code our turkey 1. So when clicked, we need to first go to front layer, so the very front layer. But we want it to go backward 1 layer. And we also want it to forever wait 1 second, repeat 10, change Y by -10, which makes it going down, and we want it to stay in the hole in between 1 and 4 seconds. So it's gonna pick a random number in between 1 and 4. And now, after it waited for a while in the ground, we're going to change the Y by 10, and which is gonna pop it back up. And also, we need to add a show here and a hide here. So after the turkey goes down in the hole, we won't be able to click it, or bash it, because if it was gone, we would still be able to bash it if it was in the hole. And as now you see, the turkey, I forgot to position it. The turkey should be at -41 and -1. It should be a 113. As you can see. And the turkey is looking a bit weird right now. It's doing a bit weird things, but don't worry about that yet now. We're gonna fix that later. And now let's go code the hammer. So do when clicked, forever go to mouse pointer. Which just makes it go to the mouse, as you can see. And we want it to go to front layer forever. So we're going to do drag no one click forever, go to front layer, because we want it on top of everything the whole time. As you can see, it's on top of everything, even the turkey. Let's wait for it to come up. Yeah, as you can see. Also, we want the turkey to show right away first, as you can see. And now we want a score from the turkey. So let's do one click forever if so we're going to drag in an and, so mouse down and touching, and we're going to drag in a touching hammer, so I change that to hammer big. And now we're going to change the score by 1. As you see, if you remix the starter project, I already made that variable for us. And we can also start sound bonk and wait 0.1 seconds. So if we don't, not 0.1, 0.5. If we remove this, we'd get a bunch of points at one time, as you see. But if I just do 0.5, it only gives us 1 point at a time. we need to wait a while before we can click it. Okay, now we need to set the score to 0 at the very beginning, because we don't want it to be left where we were. And now, as you see, I told you the turkey's looking a bit weird. It's being a bit weird. And we can actually just put in when clicked forever, go to front layer and go backward 1 layer. That should do it. Hopefully, let's see. And oh, I forgot to restart the project. As you can see, the turkey goes into the hole and it looks regular. Yeah. And now we can go to the sprite 1, which is basically all the 5 holes. And when clicked, we wanted to go to the very back layer the whole time. Very back. And we wanted to switch to costume 2. As you see, I made 2 costumes, costume 1 and costume 2, and also made costume 1. And let's create a clone myself. And when I start as a clone, we wanted to go to front layer and switch to costume 2. As you can see, it should basically look like this. Not much should be changed. It should look different. And also, some of the holes look a bit weird, right? So that's why we're going to make also Dragon Forever. And now you see the holes look a lot better. And we also want all the turkeys to just come up. So we can actually just drag this on each turkey. Drag this script. And it should put this script in each turkey. Oh my god. Okay, and I accidentally dragged it into turkey 4 twice, so I can just drag that out. And we're also going to do this script that senses the score. As you see here, we still don't see any turkeys. That's because they're not positioned correctly. They're all positioned at the same turkey. So we're going to change that X prop about to 141. As you see, it's a bit off the edge. So I'm just going to go with 100 right now. Or maybe not. Yeah, I'm just going to make it 120. Boom, yeah. I like it like at 120. And this turkey 3 is a kind of bit easy. So the X is going to be 0. And the Y, you see the turkey, we're going to put it a bit lower. So let's show it. And this Y like seems about good. So which seems like about 20. Yeah, I'm just going with 25. As you see, that turkey is also good. And now let's go to turkey 4. Okay, and let's see. This one also, Y should be, no, a bit, not really minus, like 90, minus 90. Yeah, minus 90 looks best. And let's go to turkey 5. And it should almost be the same as turkey 2, which is instead of Y, 133. All right. Okay. And I mean the X should be the same, 120. It should work as right. And also we need to show it. Wait. Right. The Y should be at 90. Wait, what? So first we want to show it, and why is it over there? Right, the Y should be negative 90. Yeah, there. Okay, there. If you followed me, you should be having some turkeys randomly coming out of the hole and be able to bash all of them. So I'm going to show you. So turkey 1, and let's see if we can bash turkey 2. Okay, let's see turkey 3. Whoop, turkey 4, let's see. And now let's see turkey 5. Boom. And as you see in my wax turkey, we have some background music. So let's add that. When clicked, forever. Already got a sound if you remix the starter project. Xylo 1. As you see it now. And if you see it here, we also have a timer. So let's do when clicked, forever, change timer by negative 0.1. And also we need to set the timer to 60 at the first 1 minute. And we're going to add an if. And we're going to get a greater than. So if 0.1 is greater than timer, we're going to start a sound I have. It's called ringtone. So we're going to put the ringtone here. And we're going to do podcast message 1, which we're going to add a new message called done. And we're also just going to stop this script. And let's go to turkey. And when I receive done, we can put in a forever hide. And we're going to drag the script on every turkey except turkey 3. So now let's go to turkey 3. When I receive done, it's going to go to 25 and 0.25, so x0 and y25, and we're going to stop other scripts in this sprite. We also want to show it, and it's gonna say our score. So we're gonna just drag in a say and drag in a join. Your score was space, and we're just gonna drag in the score. And let's go to sprite 2. When I receive done, we can just drag in a forever looks and go to back layer. As you see here, and okay, I scored 3, and let's wait until the timer goes to 0.1. As you see, turkey 3 says our score. And that's basically our Whack the Turkey game.